All right, so let's go look at this. So I needed to change that image that was not going away. So what I needed to do is whenever it was, I inspected the page. So I did right click, inspect, and then I hovered over the picture and gave me the picture, what the picture was. And then I added a code deleting that image. It didn't work. I went to the file manager here for ULA Consulting, then content, uh, theme, and then business. No, it's business. Yeah, this one and images. And then I deleted the image, but it still didn't work. So the last thing that I did is I added in additional CSS. I add this code. So not to display the image here, and then the image had this ID, and then I deleted the from the slider. That was I slided. I deleted the image, not to display it. I didn't delete it, not to display it, and I publish, and then I resolve the problem. So sometimes when you use a template, you're going to be stuck with things that you cannot modify. For example, here, these blue colors here, I had to figure it out where is this color coming from so I can change it. So that'll be next. So this is something that you're going to have to do on your own. You can use ChatGPT to find information. You can Google pretty much. That is very, easy to find the answer. Um, Try not to add too much CSS to your site, because then it's very hard to load. So having that in mind, let's go find out how we're doing so far. Going to do a new tab here, page insight, I think, inspection or insights. 1 second. Here, page speed insight. So I'm going to look for that ULA Consulting, I guess. That's the website we built. ULAconsulting.com. So here is my site. So you see that, oh, okay, it's kind of good. Not the greatest photo because I did it a web. It doesn't have the greatest resolution. We can fix that later on. But let's see how my site is doing so far. So I'm going to paste this here and see us to analyze. Since we don't have mobile yet. And let's see how the site's doing, the performance. Obviously, is going to have a lot of 75 is bad. But anyway, excuse me. So is you have to add some kind minimize CSS for preloading. So that's the problem to add CSS styles. And when you have a template, comes with a lot of stuff that really makes your site not optimal. This is not good. You want to have 88, 99, and you don't want to takes a lot of time to load. All right, and mobile, let's see, wow, it's 42. So this is really bad. Anyway, this is a work in progress. Once you do it, you have to optimize your photos, minimize your CSS, minimize your plugins, add optimization, compress of code, compress of photos, and so on. So that's a good insight to know.